Hello everyone. For our next item, take two sheets of paper, one blue for the sky and one brown for the sand. Place them accordingly and cut out brown strips of paper that are slightly curved to make it look like the base of a coconut tree. Then fold over a sheet of green paper and cut out a curved half like that. Now make small cuts in the corner. This will be the illusion of forming the coconut tree leaves. Now repeat this step multiple times and stick them all around the branch that you have already placed on the sheets of paper. Stick them around and do this. Bend each sheet of paper more so that it looks more realistic. Repeat this process even for the other tree, and following which you will cut out small round circles in beige paper, or you may also use clay balls and stick them together. This will add the illusion of coconuts on the coconut tree. Then you may add little dots to make the sand on the paper. For our next drawing, we'll trace the shape of our hands and then cut that shape out. We will fold in the ring finger and the middle finger as shown above and then draw the nails. Following this, we can decorate the nails if we want. Take a white sheet of paper or a blue sheet of paper, any other color that you may like, and cut out many heart shapes. We have cut out 4 of them. Now stick the heart shapes one on top of the other as shown above. Repeat this process with different colors as you may please. We have chosen yellow, pink, purple, green, and stick them around the hand as shown. You may also cut out non-3D shaped hearts and stick them. Now for our next drawing, we will be cutting out cloud shapes and sticking them on dark blue paper. Cut out heart shapes even in the yellow sheet of paper as shown above and stick them all around the blue paper. Repeat this step with different colored papers, so you may choose blue, orange, or any other colors that you may wish. Stick them as such so that you give a 3D-ish effect. Once you are done, you may take a white pen or a whitener and add strings of lines as such. This will give the illusion that the clouds are connected to the paper, and there you have it. For our next craft, we will fold over a black sheet of paper and add the face of a cat. We will add lines to make the body, and we will add another curvy line outside the cat itself. Color it as you please and add many detailed shapes inside the lines. This will add more character to the drawing. Also color in the outside line in any colors that you want. The more details there are, the better. We have chosen to add in all colors such as blue, yellow, pink, and such to make the drawing even better. And these are our details. You may choose to do whichever ones you like. Thank you for watching.